What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Took just one trade today. That's all it took. Made a little profit. Check it out. Well, guys, today I had a pretty decent little watch list. I had the SPY on watch because of, trade war talks. We had Roku on watch, which made a huge move off the open. I wish it would have kind of like slowed it down a little bit, maybe pulled in, held that support area I was looking at for, I don't know, 6 minutes at least, maybe 10, and then made the move, but it didn't do that. The bell rang, it dipped, and just lunar launched it. I'll show that to you in a second here. Then I had ONCS on watch, then MITO, just because it had a big move there at the open from $7 basically all the way up to 860 something, where it got halted. Hasn't done much after that. It just came back down and then traded sideways. But let's see here. What are we gonna do? Let me grab the Roku chart for you real quick. And as I do that, do me that quick favor for me. You know what it is. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel as well. It really helps me out, especially when you, do all three, which is smash the like button, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below. We know we can talk about stocks all day long, so might as well drop in the comments. Let me know what you traded today, and we can go over that. Now, here's Roku. You see, I was looking for it to hold this 118 area, which you see yesterday was resistance. Here on the chart, you see right here. And then this morning, it opened up, dipped down there real quick, and then boom, all the way up here to $121 from 118. I was actually looking at some calls, and when I opened up those calls, they were like at $3 and change. Well, those things made it way up there, like I think the last time I had seen them, they were like at 470 or 480. So real nice move there. I could have gotten on some calls, but it just happened way too quick. So no trade for me. Then it just collapsed, and now we've made a new low a day. So it's probably looking like it's going to go red on the day today. That was it on Roku. I do have my ONCS trade live recorded, and I'm going to bring that up here in a second. But first, I'm going to show you what my ONCS plan was. So let me bring up my other chart real quick here. And as I do that, let me show you in chat today. I was talking to a buddy, and I told him that I was watching ONCS at 9:19 a.m. ONCS, if it can hold its 50-day, could be in play. That was my plan today. Here we come. Let me get you that daily real quick. ONCS, this blue line lining up right here at $2 is the 50-day. We came down here to 195 and bounced right on off of it. That's my play. That's where I got long. So let me get that here for you. I got long in this candle right here. I took some profit off in this candle right here as we broke over VWAP. Then when we couldn't hold VWAP anymore and it came back down, I stopped out of it. Maybe a little prematurely. I should have, or I could have been a little bit more patient on it, because once we got above VWAP here, I could have taken some more profit off here, which is my other target, which was 220, and held on to the rest looking for a push up to like that 240, 250 area. However, we would not have gotten that, and I would have stopped out as we broke back under VWAP. Still would have been a green trade all around. It still is a green trade all around. So let me grab that live recording here for you and show you how the trade went down. Give me 1 second here as it loads up. And here we go. So here I am, 500 shares, just a starter, on at 204, 205, 205-ish. And when I see that we're really holding on to that area, I decide to add to my full position. Here, when we make that little quick dip, and let me tell you, had it gone down one more penny, it probably would have stopped me out, because my stop was 194. But when we reclaim it, I add full size, because we reclaimed it real nice. I like that bounce. And then we start to get this push over VWAP. I'm like, okay, well, here we go. Let's see what we can get done. So right there, I take off 500 shares. You see here. I put 500 shares on the ask at 215. They get filled, boom, done. Then I say, okay, I'm going to put out another 250 shares at $2.20. I put those out there, but it doesn't make it back up there. We start to get this action. And then when I see that we can't hold VWAP anymore, which is sad because we have real nice increase in volume, I decide to just stop out of the position. Because what am I thinking? Okay, we just tested the high of the day on a quick, fast bounce, and we cannot hold this previous resistance of VWAP. Shorts slammed it here, added here, re-slammed it here. So I'm thinking we might just fade it. It's been the storyline lately, you know? So I'm like, I'm going to play it safe, book this profit here. I'm up, almost $70 on the day. It's not my base hit that I like to hit, but it's a nice little bunt. And so far, 2 green days in a row. When I started off the week on Monday, I said I wanted 5 green days in a row. No trades on Monday, break even on Tuesday, green on Wednesday, and then green today as well. So that's 2 green days. I need 3 more green days in a row. Can I do it? I don't know, but I'm going to try. So we'll see. I stopped out of the rest there, not break even, for profit as well. And that was it. As you can see, stock's just basically been trading sideways in and out of VWAP. Just real no clean cut direction at this time on it. Let me get you my orders here. Here you have it. Buy 205, buy 204, sell 215, sell 207, flat. That's it. Nice little green trade, to start the day off. Don't think I'll be trading anymore today. Roku is red. SPY is extending. This MITO is not for the weary at all. So here, let me show you that MITO chart. As you can see, huge push, halt, gap down, and then just sideways trading in like a 50-cent gap, which is a 50-cent channel, which with high resistance at 850. A break over 850 sends us to the halt price. So you'll have shorts covering here at 850, shorts covering here in this halt price area. We'll see a push up to $9. So if you got long here, your stop would be the 750 area down here, this channel. So you would long it maybe here, stop 750, take some profit off at 850 if you want to be conservative, and take some more profit off at $9, hold on to a piece. Or if you want to be aggressive, you would add on the 850 break, take some profit off at $9, take some more profit off as we extend over $9. So that's how I would trade it. One of those two, depending how the action we're seeing right now. I'm in defensive mode, so I'd probably long it, stop, partial take profit, and then hold on and see if we're going to go to $9.50, $10. That's how I would do it. Chances are I'm not going to touch this today. I'm going to take my profit, go home happy, and tomorrow's another day. Unless we get some crazy action later on in the day in the SPY, I'm probably just going to sit on my hands. Let me know how you did today. How's this week treating you? Gotta be in and out, stick and move. Some weaving action as well. Very defensive trading going on. Drop it in the comment section below. Let me know what you traded. Remember to smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Be on the lookout for another video that's coming out today, which is titled The Truth About Cash Accounts. Catch you on the next one.